Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare TradingView buy or sell. We'll explore how to effectively use the platform's features to make informed trading decisions, whether you're looking to enter a long position or short an asset. We'll cover key indicators and strategies that can help you identify potential opportunities and manage your risk. This guide aims to clarify the nuances of both approaches within TradingView. When looking for buy signals on TradingView, focus on indicators that suggest upward momentum. A common strategy involves identifying support levels where prices tend to bounce. For example, a stock might show a strong buy signal if it holds above its 50-period moving average. Confirming these signals with increased trading volume can significantly improve your chances of a successful long trade. Conversely, identifying sell signals is vital for shorting or exiting long positions. These often appear when an asset struggles to break resistance levels or shows signs of losing momentum. A clear sell signal might be a price rejection at a key resistance, coupled with a bearish divergence on an oscillator. Recognizing these patterns helps you protect profits or capitalize on downward price movements. Ultimately, deciding whether to buy or sell on TradingView isn't about one being inherently superior. It's about aligning your actions with current market conditions and your personal trading strategy. Both long and short positions offer opportunities, but they require different analyses and risk management. The best approach is the one that consistently fits your market outlook and helps you achieve your financial goals. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.